alphabet. A, B, C, D, E. That one, A to Z. Okay? Write that and circle the vowel. Yeah, 5 vowels irukku. A, E, I, O, U. Other circle pananum. Come on, do it. Very good that you have done something for your mom. Very good, Vishank. Good morning, Ma Kartikeyan. Take your rough notebook or slate and write A to Z. Circle the vowel. Very good, Ma Vivan. But I think your letters are very white like that. V, how you should write V, W. Vivan, previous class only I told you that your handwriting is improving. What about that? V and U look same. See,
Good morning, Vedana.
someone correct your U. It looks like V.
Good morning, Vedana.
Good morning, Madan. How is your health now? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Yeah, very good. Take your slate or rough notebook and write.
ABC. Should write ABC.
A to Z, write A to Z and circle the vowels.
Okay, ma'am. Now I done.
Very good. Kavyani, Uta. A, E, I, O, U. Yeah, good ma, Kavyani. Good. Well done, Kavyani.
Good morning.
Change your Q. See how your Q is, Kavyani. Change your Q. Hashini. P is like B. Why? Standing line should be bigger. Okay? And Y, X, Y. Y is like G. Come on, correct all those things, ma. Hashini, good.
Playing, ma'am.
Correct all those
Good
things. Come on.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Tarnika. Finish eating first.
Okay, ma'am.
And then who else finish? Nukshita. Sit properly and write.
Writing, ma'am.
Right. What is Tehan doing in your class? No class for Tehan, huh?
No, ma'am. Today annual exam. Hindi exam.
Annual exam, started, ah?
Yeah. Started. Today.
My God. Okay. All the best, Tehan.
Finished, ma'am, already.
Finished, ah? Very good.
Tehan, say hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Now also he's feeling very shy to talk to others, ah?
Tell me,
Even
Tehan.
now, why Tehan?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Tehan.
போய் நாங்க முன்னாடி போய் அதே மாதிரி ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் போய் நார்மலா போட்டு ஓடி போயிடுவேன். அப்புறம் எனக்கு நீங்க தாங்க உள்ள டோக்கன் போங்க பார்க்கணும்.
Unnecessarily, why are you unmuting yourself? Why are you unmuting yourself, ma? Finish it, unmute and tell me, okay? Good, ma. Hashini, good. Finished, everyone? Rohita? Rohita, still writing. Circled, ah?
No, ma'am. No,
Circle,
ma'am.
Rohita.
Write a circle. A-E-I-O-U.
You said the answer and you are saying the circle. She should see for the vowels. No, what is this, Rohita's mom? Leaking out the answers, ah?
Starting yours says kada.
I told for Vishank. Not for Rohita. She was writing at that time, no? Don't listen to your mom.
Yours?
5 vowels.
Vowels. Okay, ma'am.
Very good, man. I take.
She asked answer for it. Ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Yeah, Sunita finish. Very good morning, study.
அப்புறம் எங்க வாங்க சொல்லிட்டு
Why, Pranita, you didn't want to see the vowels? Why?
இந்த மாதிரி
I
இந்த
told
பேர்
you to
வச்சு
write the
ஒரு தண்ணியில போக முடியாது மொத்தம் ஒரு செல்ல போடுவோம்
Why don't you listen to me?
அப்படியே வரல விட்டு
Very good.
இந்த மாதிரிலாம் உள்ள எங்க
Zeddy, sit down, Zeddy. What is this, Zeddy?
Ma'am,
Huh?
సరిగ్గా చెప్పు. Huh?
There is I.
No,
A,
I.
E, I,
A-E-I-O-U. Ma'am కి చెప్పు.
You have 5 fingers in one hand. All these 5 will become your vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Circle. Finished. Very good. Good, Maroita.
సరిగ్గా.
Then circle the vowels, Mas Daddy. Okay, 5 vowels we have, and the rest of the letters are 21 letters. All those are, what are those? Consonants. Consonants. Okay, consonants. Finish. Shall we start the session?
Ma'am,
Very good, Makasi. Dharnika, finish. Dharnika, if you are eating, you have to switch your video and then you have to finish your food, ma. Finish it and then come back. Vishank, finish. What have you written, ma, Vishank? Till Z you didn't write, right? Till Z. Five more minutes, we'll start the session. Children, quick, come on, fast. Finish. What, Vishank? Kavyani, finish. Rohita, Naitik, Vivan, Hashini, Pranita. Nukshita, finish, ma. Zeddy, finish.
சொல்லிட்டாங்க பாத்தியா
Zeddy. Why, Zeddy? Did you write, Zeddy?
Yes.
Show me what you wrote. Good morning, ma Vidyat. What, only A, B, that two capital letters, Write small letters, write fast.
Always he wants to, ma'am. Always he wants to write capital letter, ma'am. She don't want small letter.
Nursery, only capital
Always
letters.
capital letter.
You should write in small letters only.
Yeah,
Come
ma'am.
on, start writing. Zeddy. Start writing, I said Zeddy. जल्दी लिखो. Okay. By the time others, I want you to go and bring a material made out of plastic. A plastic material. You have to go and bring. You search in your home, bring a plastic material. I don't want any of your parents to help you. You should go search and bring any plastic material. Parents will not go with you. Search for a plastic material. Whatever it is, you bring it. Bring it and show it to me in the screen. Very good, Vishang. Activities apart from writing, you will do all the other activities, Vishang. Don't like writing itself, Vishang. Plastic, first boy. See, look at the screen. Nobody has come, but you have come. Plastic. Yeah. Very good, everybody. Hold on.
Good morning, Manila. Good morning,
కూర్చోమా
Everyone, well done. You know what is plastic. Okay. Now come on, go and bring a material made of glass. Glass material. It will be transparent. If you put it down, no, it will break.
plastic material.
Handle with care. A glass material.
Plastic material.
Okay, ma. Next is glass material. Come on, go and bring. Glass. Carefully you have to handle it, children. Don't drop it down. Glass bowl.
Yes.
Very good, ma. Dikshan.
This is glass.
Glass.
Glass, ma'am. Glass material.
Yeah, good.
Ma'am.
Coolers, is that glass? My God.
Glass material.
Glass, very good. Frame also is made of glass. Now, glass means if you put it down, no, it will break. That is glass. Come on. Let me see how you are finding it out. Good, man. Tanvin, good.
Glass material. Plastic tortoise.
Plastic. Now only you brought plastic. Glass. Next is glass.
Glass.
Very good, man. I take. Brilliant. Mirror. Very good. Ukshita. Good, man, Ukshita. Next. Okay, shall we move on to the next material? Next material is paper. Paper. Don't sit in your place and ask your parents to work for you. You have to go and do
Paper
it.
material.
Paper. Yeah, newspaper. Notebook.
సరిగా అమ్మా
Very good, Naitik. Good. Very good, Savita. Paper. Good. Well done. Well done. Next is wood. Wood. You know, I taught you already wood. Wood pad, plastic pad. Wood. Wood, very good. Made out of trees. Yeah, good. Wood materials are made out of trees. Okay, good. Wood spatula, then pressure box. Okay, good. Very good. Very good, Ashni. Good. Doctor, smart video. Is this your idea or your mama's idea?
முன்னாடி வெயில தேவை முடியாத கிடையாது அதை விட்டுறேன்
Mama's idea. Yeah, but plastic now only brought it, baby. Plastic, good. Wood elephant. Good. Yeah, Madanvin, wood elephant. Wood pencil. Picture. Very good.
Last material.
Wood.
Plastic material. Last material.
Very good. Wood.
Chapati.
Chapati. Good.
Chapati, ma'am. Paper material.
Okay, next is steel.
Never.
Steel. Steel. Vessels. Whatever your mind is steel.
Steel.
Drink water and all along. To eat your food in a plate. Your mama will cook everything.
Tumbler sul. Okay.
Steel tumbler, steel spoon.
जो glass लेके steel.
Yeah, steel bowl.
Camera కనిపించు.
Steel plate. What material is that? Steel. Steel. Good. Well, children. Well done. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Clap hands for yourself. Louder.
नल खाली लगा ले नल मोटी वो नल लेके चाहिए ना
Very good. Well done. Well done. Okay. Now all of you keep your materials down. Who is going to say Kids Anthem today? It is by Dikshan. Dikshan. All of you join your hands and close your eyes. Dikshan, start ma. Kids Anthem.
For the wind, lyric my fly, unify me, my potent sight. Should I pledge, I the might, I select to view, my potent sight.
Very good. Very good. Dikshan, thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. A loud good morning to ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. First, if you're happy and you know it. Ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your feet. Tap your thighs, sorry. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. When you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Happy and you know it.
I love you, ma'am. I love you, ma'am.
And you really want to show it.
I love you, ma'am.
Five little monkeys. Ready? Five little monkeys. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, what did the doctor say? No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, No more monkeys jumping on the bed. First it was 5. One fell down. Again one fell down. Now how many monkeys are there? 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay? 5, 4, now 3. Again one fell down. How many are there? 2. Okay? 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay? Now there were 2 monkeys. One fell down. How many is left over? How many is left over? One monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, what did the doctor say? What did the doctor say? No more monkey jumping on the bed. Will you all jump on the bed? Will you all jump on the bed? No, what? Till now I can see 2 children jumping on the bed. Why these children jumping on the bed? Okay, very good children. Thank you so much. Come on, go drink 1 glass of water and come back for the attendance. Come on. Danvin. Devkrish. Dikshan. Hashini.
Volleyball, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
Volleyball. Very good. Janavi.
Here I am, ma'am. Volleyball.
Volleyball. Okay, Kartikeyan.
Here I
Come on, what game?
am. Hockey.
Hockey. Are you playing hockey? Sitting and playing hockey?
Playing with tumblers, ma'am.
No. Cheating. This boy is cheating me. Kavyani.
Basketball, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Basketball. Very good, Kavyani. Naitek.
Basketball.
Basketball. Nukshita. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
What game, ma'am? Huh?
Cricket.
Cricket. Okay. Pranita.
Here I am.
Here I am, ma'am. Don't worry.
Okay, good. Rohita. Mute yourself, Pranita.
Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Our football.
Okay, good. Nikila is absent. Satvika. Siddharth.
Ma'am.
Siddharth. Tarnika.
Here I am, ma'am. Cricket.
What is it? Cricket. Good. Vishant.
Ma'am.
Here I am.
What game?
Here I am.
What games? Say loudly. Say loudly.
Football, ma'am.
Football. Okay, Vivan.
Football. Oh, wait.
Football. Okay, Vidyut.
Hockey.
Hockey. Okay, Zeddy.
Cricket.
Cricket. Very good, children. Okay. And then what about the games, children? How many types of games are there? How many types of games are there?
Indoor game, outdoor game.
How many? There are 2 types of games. What are they? One is the indoor game and the other one is the outdoor game. Okay. Shall we have a recap of those games? 1 minute. outdoor games. Okay, first we'll have a recap of outdoor games and then we'll move on to indoor games. Okay, what game is this, children? Ball. Very good.
Football.
Ball. Very good.
Tennis.
Tennis. Very good. See the ball also, children. What ball they are using for tennis also? Okay. Yes. Golf. Very good. No. They should say. Please, parents, don't tell them. Baseball. Archery. Very good. Archery. What is it? Surfing. Surfing.
Surfing ball.
Hockey. Very good. Hockey. All these are outdoor games. Next, we are going to see the indoor games. Okay. Okay. Before that, we'll see here.
Carom.
Football game. Football. See here. Children, where is the goalkeeper here? Someone tell me, where is the goalkeeper? Where is he standing? Where is the goalkeeper? Shall we see where is the goalkeeper? Here. He'll stand near the net. Okay, so he is the goalkeeper. Okay. See here, goalkeeper. And who is this man? Who is he? Referee. He is the referee. Okay. Here, referee. Okay. And what are the equipments they use for football? T-shirt and shorts. Football. Spiked shoes. Shin guard. And then knee pads, helmet and gloves. Who will use this knee pads, helmet and gloves in football?
Cricket.
Who will use?
Goalkeeper.
Goalkeeper will use helmet, gloves and knee pads. Others will not use. Other players will not use. Only the goalkeeper who is standing near the net. They only will use these equipments. Okay? Here, this is shin guard. Okay, now next is the indoor games. Indoor games. I-N-D-O-O-R. Indoor. I-N-N-D-O-O-R. Indoor. Indoor games. Jahnavi, listen, Jahnavi. Jahnavi. Indoor. Where are you looking, Jahnavi? What is this game? Next one. What is this game? Ludo. Please no one should teach Jahnavi. While I'm teaching, he is not listening. Why are you teaching Jahnavi? Who is there? Your mama?
Ma'am,
Who is there near you, Jahnavi?
yes, ma'am.
Don't teach her Jahnavi's mom. Okay?
Not at listening, ma'am.
Let me see how she is answering. What is this game, Ma Jahnavi? Ludo. Let me see. What is this? Huh? Looking at your mama again. When you listen only, you will know, right?
I know, ma'am.
Then say, ma'am.
I don't.
Even if you don't know also, you can blend that word, no? CH, what is the sound of CH? What is the sound of E and what is the sound of S?
See?
Listen, no, Jahnavi. For your only I'm taking class, right? Chess. This is chess. What game is this, children? What is there in that game? Snake and ladder. Snake and ladder. Okay. What is it? Very good, Manukshita. Table tennis. See the type of ball they are using for table tennis. A white color small ball for table tennis, and the bat is also different. It is not like the badminton bat. It is very short. Yeah, very good, Tarnika. Tarnika is having a table tennis bat. What is this? Bowling. Very good. Bowling. B-O-W. Bow. L-I-N-G. Ling. Bowling. This one. Ice skating. This is the ice game.
Yes.
Okay, this is the ice game.
Yes.
Ice skating played only on ice. Okay, ice skating. And what is this? Boxing. Very good. Boxing.
सबको याद करना.
That's it. Okay, we'll move on to today's worksheet, children. Take your worksheet book. Worksheet number is 151 MT. 16. Number name 16. 6 SIX 6 TEEN 16 here. 151 MT 16 number name. Tomorrow I want all of you to say oral 1 to 10 ONE 1 TWO2 like that. Till 10 I'll be asking everyone children. Okay, you must learn today itself. Okay, till 10 you have to say. Write today's date. Today's date is 9. Today is 10-3-2121. First write date and then start writing, children. (16) number name is 16. SIX 6 TEEN teen. 16.
SIX.
Spell and write, children. SIX TEEN 16. Vishank, where is your worksheet, Vishank? Ready, write ma. Start writing.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Ashini, it's not the matter of writing too fast, but your handwriting should improve, Ashini. See how you have written? Is it following the line? The word letters you have written following the line? Erase it and write properly, steadily. Your handwriting should be neat. Come on, erase and write.
Yes, ma'am.
Slowly write. No need to finish it fast before others. There is nothing in that. But your handwriting should improve. Everyone should write neatly. Very good, man. Good, man. Nukshita, good.
Rohita, ma'am.
Rohita, also write neatly, Rohita. Follow the line.
Rohita, follow the line, ma'am.
If you are writing in the blue line, you come beyond that blue line. If you are starting from the red line, it should stop in the blue line. See your X, how it is written, Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
See how you have written X. You have to have control in your writing, children. You are going to go to senior KG.
Yes, correct.
If you write like this, what will happen?
కొంచెం చూడు ఇది పైకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది కదా మ్యామ్ ఇది కూడా
Right,
వెళ్ళకూడదు
it should not come below or it should not go above the line. Cross ஆவும் இருக்கக்கூடாது பெருசாவும் இருக்கக்கூடாது லைன்னா லைன்ல எழுதணும். Okay, சீக்கிரமா முடிக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. But you have to write neatly, slowly, steadily. That is very important. Okay, Hashni, better.
எழுதி காட்டு நீ அங்க பாருங்க காட்டு
Ma'am, Pranita.
One minute, children. All of you, I want all of you to look at the screen now, right now. All of you stop writing. Stop writing, everyone stop writing. Everyone look at the screen. I want all of you to look at the screen. No one should write. Zadi, look at the screen. Children, handwriting depends upon your control, children. When you are writing I like this is the control of your handwriting. When you are writing I like this is not the control you are having. I should be in a straight line. Your S should be like this, not like this. Your E should be sleeping line and a curve. I've seen many of you writing E like this, and even like this. Not like that. Your E should be a sleeping line first and a curve here. A sleeping line and a curve. That makes your perfect E. And your T. Sometimes you write like this. Sometimes you write like this. Is this right? I want all of you to answer. Is this right? Shake your head. No need to unmute yourself.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Just nod your head. No need to unmute yourself. How should you write, children? It's a standing line like this. Perfect. You're going to complete your junior KG and you're going to move on to senior KG. Till now, if you don't have control in your writing, then your handwriting won't look good. Yes, you should have control. While you are holding your pencil also, hold it tight, slowly, steadily you should write. I don't want any of you to write fast and finish it first. I don't want that. I want you to write neatly. Okay, then you can't correct your handwriting when you go to first standard and all. Write slowly, write neatly. Have a control in your handwriting. When you are drawing a standing line or a sleeping line, perfectly it should be. No standing line or sleeping line should be like this. No. Curve means a perfect curve. U. How will you write U, children? Many of you write U like this. U like this. Somebody write U like this. This is the way you write U. Half A, half Q, half G like that. U. Perfect U. A small slanting line like that. Not like this. This is not U. Control your handwriting, children. I want you to write A to Z small letters 3 times in your English notebook. That will be your homework today. Perfect writing. I need perfect writing and I want all of you to post your homework today. A to Z 3 times. I will check all of your homeworks. That should be in the line. You should follow the line and it should be neat. If I see anyone's homework and your letter is going up and down or wavering like that, I'll ask you to do it again. You don't want me to ask you to do it again, want to write it neatly. Many of you write neatly that I have seen, but for the children, those are feeling very difficult to find, please follow the line and write. Today's homework is 3 times A to Z in your English notebook. Zadi, you too, Zadi. Understood? Yes. G means from the blue line till the red line. When you reach the red line, you have to stop it. Not below the red line, it should not at all go. Okay? Fine. Thumbs up.
Okay.
No sad faces. I'm not scolding you. I want you to correct.
Okay.
Okay? Thumbs up. Happy faces. Oh, Kavyani. Okay, children. Now finish your worksheet. That's the spirit, children. When someone is correcting you, you have to accept it. That is for your own good only. Okay? Okay, now moving on to our next worksheet. Shall we move on to our next worksheet?
Okay. 3 times.
3 times you should write. No excuse. Next is you have 152 CT. 152 CT. You will have many hockey sticks here. I want you to trace all those hockey sticks. Trace the hockey stick, count their number and write the number name in the box.
Mommy, I'll get more.
Trace all the hockey sticks. Listen, children. Trace all the hockey sticks. Count it one by one and then write the number name here. Come on, let me see how many of you are doing it correctly. Come on. Trace it, don't color it. Trace.
10
Trace.
dash 3.
Write today's date first.
Don't forget your name.
Small
10 dash 3 dash 2 1 21.
Same number, ma'am.
152 CT.
Three times.
Yeah, trace.
152
Yeah, it's okay.
Trace.
Trace. Ivan, trace. Started arguing too much, this boy, Vivan. Have control in your tracing, children. That's very important. Take your own time and finish. Don't hurry up. While writing your hand, this part should be steady on your book. When you keep this part steady on your book only, your handwriting will come neatly, children, and you will be able to trace. Otherwise, your wrist will pain, children. Now it will not be visible for you. When you go to higher standards, your wrist will pain. So this part of your hand should be steady on your book. Then only your hand will not shake while tracing and writing. Why Dikshan laughing?
Ma'am,
What happened?
ma'am,
Yes, Ashni is there.
ma'am, Hasni is unable to hold the pencil properly, ma'am. Is
Why?
there any- That's the reason why, you know, the things are going in a wrong direction. So,
That now you are telling me. Huh?
and,
You should have told me before itself, right?
yes, ma'am. So,
That
is there?
is not due to the holding of her pencil. That is due to her grip that she is having here on the book.
Okay, okay.
With these 3 fingers,
Yeah, ma'am.
show your 3 fingers.
3 finger. Show it to them.
3 fingers.
3
Look
fingers.
at my finger here.
Look at ma'am.
Hold your pencil like this and write. Okay? You would have told me before itself, Ashni is there.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
keeping on telling, have a control in writing, but now only you're telling me. Keep your book in a slanting way and then you trace, children. Don't keep it straight and you don't move along with the book. You move the book and you keep the book and write. If it is in school, I would have taught you what to do. Parents, can you understand what I am saying? The book should be in a slanting way, like this. The hand should go like this, not like this. Like this, in a slanting way. Keep the book in a slanting way and ask them to write. Rohita, that's what I'm telling you, Rohita. Don't go along with the book like that. Very good, Vivan. Wait a minute. Dhanvin, finish, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, ma, Dhanvin. How many are there? How many hockey sticks are there?
எத்தனை கவுண்ட் பண்ண
One,
நீ கவுண்ட் பண்ண நான் எழுதி கதை சொன்னா போதும்
nine,
9. Good. Rohita's mom, keep the book in a slanting way.
Ma'am.
Slanting. Slanting. Keep the book little bit slanting. It's too straight, not like that.
Okay. Mm.
Diction also correct.
Amma.
Ma.
Many of you can't see.
Her
Her hand only will pain. Rohita's mom. That's what I'm telling you. Her hand only will pain. When you keep the book in a slanting way. 1 minute, I'll show you. Wait.
No, she don't hear me, ma'am. I'm
Rohita,
changing.
you should listen, Rohita. Listen to your mom. See here, Vivan. 1 minute. Take out your hand, Vivan. See, Vivan's book is in a slanting way, right? It is not in a straight way. You can see. Everyone can see. His book is in a slanting way. You can find out in the table.
Around but
Slanting இருக்கு பாருங்க. சாஞ்சி சாச்சா மாதிரி இருக்கா அந்த மாதிரி இந்த book. When you keep it straight, no, it will be very difficult for them to write.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Vivan.
Ma.
Start.
నీకే కదమ్మా చెప్తున్నాను ఓకే 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 రైట్ రైట్ రైట్
Little bit shake that book to a corner. That's it.
కొంచెం ఇలా
Move
పెట్టుకో
along with the book. We should not move with the book. The book only should move.
ఓకే
Very good. Zadie also good. Correct. Dharmika finished. Good. Karthikeyan also you have to keep your book in a slanting way and write mark. Finish. Little book you have to. Rohita's mom.
yes ma'am
Correct the position of the book.
ma'am I'm telling you ma'am but
Rohita, your hand will pain, Rohita. See how you are moving along with the book. That is not the way you should write. Keep the book in a slanting way.
మళ్ళీ she crying ma'am now class వచ్చి 10 minutes ఉందిగా ma'am
Okay. Come on, write.
no
Okay, leave it. For her only I'm telling, okay, leave it. I don't know.
అమ్మా your wish ma అయ్యో ఇంక 10 minutes
Okay, Rohita, you start writing. Come on.
నీకు ఎలా ఉంటారో చెయ్యి ఓకే
finish.
ఇస్తాను నీకు
Very good, Ashley, good.
that's why I'm silent ma'am
When she's free, you tell her how to do.
yes ma'am
Okay?
To mom.
Very good, Kavyani.
ma no ma chocolate ఇస్తాను నీకు chocolate ఇస్తాను please
It is 152 empty, children. 152 empty. Here you are going to circle the tallest bird in the first row and the shortest animal in the second row. First row you have peacock, hen and ostrich. All of you are having this worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
First row you have peacock, hen and ostrich. In this row you are going to circle the tallest bird. Which is the tallest bird? Circle it. Which is the tallest bird? Tallest like this. Ostrich, very good. And then in the next row you have giraffe, dog and camel. Which is the shortest animal? Short. Which is the shortest animal? The second row.
Dog.
Very good. Dog. Circle the dog. Finish. First row you have to circle the tallest bird. Second row you have to circle the shortest animal. Very good, Tarnika. Very good. Well done. Next worksheet is 153 CT. 153 CT. This worksheet, you have to match the ball or the score, whatever it is, correctly. You have a table tennis bat here, badminton bat here, and a tennis bat here. Table tennis bat, badminton bat, and a tennis bat. 3 different types of bats are here, and 2 different types of ball, and 1 cork is there. Come on, match along with the bat. What will go with which bat? It's very easy. Table tennis
Page number, ma'am.
153 CT.
Okay.
Write today's date and start matching.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Finish.
I showed you the color of the ball also, children. For tennis, what color ball we use. For table tennis, what color ball we use. And for badminton, you very well know we'll use a cork. Okay?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Well done.
Finish.
White table tennis, white color ball. And tennis, it's green color ball. Finish, Kavyani. 153 kg. Finished? Very good. Next worksheet, 154 CT. 154 CT. Write today's date. This one. 154 CT. Here match the following. What is the first game, children? What is the first game?
Volleyball.
Huh? What is the first game? Football. Okay. Football. Which you will match here? This one, or this one. From the 4, which you will match it correctly. Football, color of the ball also you know. White and black. And the net also you know for the football match. And second one is basketball. Obviously you will have a basket in the ground. See where it is. And then match the basketball. Color of the ball is also given. See to it and match it. Third one is table tennis. Table tennis. Which you will match. Look it. And then cricket. Very good. Very good, Manukshita, Tarnika. Well done.
Finish, ma'am.
Everyone, done when good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Kavyani, good.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish.
Finish, ma'am.
everyone.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
The next is 152 empty. 152 empty. Number name 17. First, you have to write the spelling for 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. T-E-E-N. 17. 17.
Yes, just
Only one letter it is going to touch the red line. Start from the red line till the blue line. That is only T. Other letters you are going to write in between the blue line. Come on, 17. Write today's date and write 17.
yeah, okay, so.
Mute yourself, Pranita. Spell and write, children. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. Nakshita, sit and write. You should know that your video is on, Nakshita. Sit and write. Ashni's dad. Show me
Yes,
how
ma'am.
she is writing.
Sure, ma'am.
Now you write, ma.
Right. Here. E.
Okay.
Then. N. No.
N is going below the line.
Wait.
Slowly you should write.
Slowly. E. No, V. V. No, not like this. E. Sleeping line.
Ashni, can you change the way you hold your pencil, ma?
That's what I was telling her, ma'am. but she couldn't.
This finger, no? The pencil should come above this finger.
Yes, ma'am. I have told her many times. She hold it like this, but then she is not at all following it.
Hold her
That's
hand
okay.
and show her how to write. Hold
I
her
have-
dad's hand and write, ma. Ashni.
I have shown her multiple times, ma'am, but then she couldn't follow it.
Slowly you write.
Sorry. T.
Very good one.
T. E.
இப்படிதான் வரும். ஆஷினி, ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங் அழகா வேணாமாடா உங்களுக்கு? ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங் நீட்டா வரணுமா வேண்டாமா?
Venus.
ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. If you try, you can do it. Okay? Should not say that I want only this. No. When it is wrong, you should be corrected. Okay, ma? Good girl. Try it. You can do it. Okay? My Hashni will do everything. I know that. Okay, Hashni? Try it. Take your rough notebook, sit and try for at least 10 minutes. Regularly, when you practice for 10 minutes, you will get that practice of writing. Okay? Try and then tell me. Then also if you're not getting it, okay. அப்பவும் வரலனா பரவாயில்லை. ஆனா ட்ரை பண்ணாம நம்ம சொல்லக்கூடாது இல்லையா? ட்ரை பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? Hashni will do it. Okay? That's my girl. Very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Kartika. Finish, everyone. 17.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Finished. Did you all write today's date? Finished already. Want high five? Give high five to her.
Ma'am, homework both capital letters and small letters or capital
Only
letters?
small letters. No need of capital letters. Only small letters.
Okay.
Not that too close, children. A letter, then one finger space gap, and then another letter. A, one finger space gap, then B. Again, one finger space gap, C, like that. Don't write it too close. Okay? Finished? Everyone finished?
Yes,
3
ma'am.
times you have to write, children. 3 times. Don't forget that. 3 times. Very good. Hope everyone have finished your worksheet. Zeddy is still writing. Janavi, Zeddy. Dikshan and all finish, huh? Good. Very good. Hope everyone has finished your worksheet. Thank you so much for your cooperation, children. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.